Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel Cat2I'm by Manoj Mahajan if you have not done yet, as we are coming up with Quantitative Aptitude full course for free on the channel. Yes, you heard it right. It will be from basic to advanced, relevant for exams like CAT, XAT, SNAP, NMAT, and OMETS. The idea is to build strong fundamentals in the QA section. जिसको कॉन्ट कहीं समझ नहीं आया, यहाँ पक्का समझ आएगा. देखो और फिर विश्वास करो. Secondly, question solving strategies where you're going to learn super tricks and shortcuts never seen before. You're going to learn the option based approach. You're going to learn the values and the elimination approach so that you can solve the questions with ease. So do subscribe to the channel. You can have a look of my profile. My name is Manoj Mahajan. 21 plus years of experience where I've taught with top coaching institutes like Career Launcher, Time, Unacademy, Tathagat, and currently I'm running my own Cat2I'm. CAT QA 99.97 percentile, XAT QA 99.98 percentile, CAT LRDA 98.81 percentile. Number one faculty with Career Launcher in 2018. Number one CAT faculty with Unacademy in 2019. So do subscribe to the channel. Do watch out the full QA course over here for free. So in today's session, we are going to talk about introduction to quantitative aptitude. So what you're going to get in the video is the entire QA syllabus so that you are aware of what to cover up. You can look forward to join Cat2I'm Telegram group so that you don't miss out the latest information, latest updates, get motivational stuff on the group, and also free material for CAT and OMETS. Now let me come to the QA syllabus out here. So I've divided into 5 modules over here. The first one is Arithmetic. So this is a very important module from the CAT and the other exams perspective. So what are the topics tested over here is percentage, success percentage change of base, SICI, installments, profit loss count, ratio proportion, variation, average. We're going to learn superb trick, partnership, allegation, magical method we're going to learn, mixtures, removal, replacement, time, speed, and distance, proportionality, races, average speed, relative speed, escalator, boards and spin, pools, circular motion, clocks, time and work. And the best part of the arithmetic is there are hardly any formulas, so you would thoroughly enjoy. So do check out the entire QA course on the channel Cat2I'm by Manoj Mahajan. Now, when it comes to the weightage, if I look from the CAT perspective, so the arithmetic module will comprise close to 33.33%, so 1/3 of the QA section. And it is also important from the other exams like XAT and MAT and SNAP perspective as well. Now, another important module from the CAT point of view is Algebra, where you are tested on polynomial, linear equation, quadratic equation, higher degree equation, binomial inequality, function, GIF, logarithm, modulus, progressions, max min, coordinate geometry, and miscellaneous. So this also close to 33.33% weightage if I look in the QA section of CAT. Now, the other module is also important, geometry from the CAT point of view, which includes topics like triangle, quadrilateral, polygon, circle, mensuration, where we are going to learn prism, pyramid, cylinder, cone, somewhere close to 15%. So if you look, these 3 modules will comprise of close to 80% of the QA section of CAT. Now, the other 2 modules, if I look over here, that is number system and modern maths, this will comprise close to 20% of the QA section of CAT. So what do you get in the number system? Classification of numbers, unit digit, calendars, remainders, residual rule, HCF, LCM, factors, highest power dividing a factorial, and base system. In the modern maths, we are looking at permutation combination, probability, set theory, trigo. Now, a lot of students have the tendency to leave these modules like number system, modern maths because the weightage is less in the CAT. So there could be a possibility that the weightage can increase, guys, in the CAT as well. And don't forget the other exams like XAT and MAT, SNAP, where the modules like number system, modern maths has a good weightage. So when you're targeting the MBA entrance exams, you should look forward from the perspective of all the exams, covering up all the 5 modules over here. So the best part on the channel is that we are going to come up with each and every module from basic to advanced. So make sure that you join the information group, make sure that you visit the website, and do subscribe to the channel, and do share with as many CAT and OMETS aspirants so that they can benefit from this free video which is on the QA, the entire course. Thank you so much.